Welcome to Tech Leveler. I'm Lee, and in this super quick video I'm going to show you how to create a contact poster for a contact on the iPhone iOS 17. So first you want to open up the Contacts app and then find the contact you want to create a contact poster for. So we'll do Jim Smith here, and then you want to select Contact Photo and Poster. And here you'll have an option to take a photo, use a photo what's on your iPhone, a memoji or a monogram. So we'll go with a memoji. We'll just keep this simple and select this one here, this robot. You can change it how you wish, and then we'll press next. We'll keep it simple for now. Then what you want to do, you can change the colour of the background here for however you wish. You can change the look of it, the memoji if you want. You can add depth effects if you wish. And then once you're happy, you can just press done. Then this is previewing it. You can just press continue. Then you're happy with that. This is the contact photo. If you're happy with that, you press continue. And then done. And now, whenever this person rings you, this is how it'll look on your iPhone. Sometimes it defaults, so it's plain like that. So you want to come into the Contacts, Photos and Posters and change it so it looks like this and select it. If you ever want to delete a contact photo or picture, you can come into this, select Contact Photo and Poster, swipe upwards and select delete. But that's how you create a contact poster for a contact on your iPhone iOS 17 on later. I hope you found that video helpful. If you did, smash the like, smash the subscribe, and most of all, thanks so much for watching.